And time now for job openings. Mga nangangailangan ng trabaho, yung mga kaibigan natin. Right, sa Future Link Incorporated, ito binibigay sa atin yung mga job openings na meron sa kanila. Ha? Future Link Incorporated, they are hiring welders. Must be at least high school graduate. 2 years hands-on experience. Test the NC2 certificate is needed. Kasi ano to, yung SMAW, SMAW na ano no, tsaka GMAW at tsaka GTAW. Yung mga type of welding rods yan no. Ayan, okay? Hindi ko sa ulado yung meaning pero alam na ng mga may experience sa welders yan, sa welding, no? Ayan, okay, welders! Kung wala kang experience, pwede ka namang matrain, di ba? May TESDA naman tayo dito, di ba? Punta ka lang sa TESDA Center. Okay? Also hiring forklift drivers, at least high school graduate, professional driver's license 1, 2, 3, TESDA NC2, NCT2, or NC2, blah, 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 blah. In forklift operations, yung kailangan marunong talaga, TESDA accredited na or certified sa forklift operations, ha? At least 2 years experience, okay? Forklift drivers. Also, electricians has experience handling high voltage equipments, electric power distribution operation and maintenance NC4. All right. Electricians. Also hiring, ano pa, bukod sa electronic technicians, meron pa eh. Teka, dali Bubuksan ko lang yung page. Ayun, ito. Meron pa. Yeah. Bukod sa electronics technician, iba pa ba yun? Oo. Oh, okay. Yeah. May hiring sa technician, meron pang sa electronics technician. Yung electrician pala, pareho lang. Ang gulo ko. Pasensya na magulo ka. Usap si Tommy G ngayon. Pagod na ako 8 hours na ako nagtrabaho. Tapos, nagugutom na ako. Yan. Lumpiang Shanghai naman dyan. Kahit basta fried chicken. Tsaka, they are hiring din engineers. Ayan. Qualifications: knows how to use topographic measuring tools like total stations, GNSS, GSPS, or GPS receivers, LiDAR, and dumpy levels and theodolites. Okay? So, engineers needed at FutureLink Incorporated. Also, licensed architect and junior architect. Qualifications: capable of using CAD and 3D graphic, able to draft for buildings and construction, able to draft equipment and products. Okay? Once again, licensed architect and junior architect. Next up, dismantlers. Ang role mo lang, disassembles end-of-life electronics. No experience needed. Kaya ganun lang kadali. Diba? Dismantling lang. And overtime is guaranteed. Yan, kung medyo masipag ka, hindi ka pa, ayaw pa umuwi, mag-overtime ka. Also, general workers with knowledge or experience in machine operations. Yan, ang general workers. Okay? So, lahat ng mga job openings na to. Aside from that, eto pa, meron pa. Aside from dismantlers, they are also in need of janitors and maintenance staff. Alam nyo na siguro yan, madali na lang yan. Janitor and maintenance staff, just apply now at FutureLink Incorporated. Okay? For inquiries, you may call or text 0985-764-7701. Yan, yung official call or text. And sa mga gusto mag-apply, mas maganda pumunta na kayo direct. Malay nyo, pagpunta nyo may interview agad, di ba? Di ang saya. They are located, yung office nila, Unit 207, second floor, Yese Building, Lot 6, 7, and 8. Greenwoods Park, Rizal Highway, CBD area, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. Sa mga walang idea kung saan yan, haba na address, no? Ang Yese Building, ang Greenwoods Park, pagpasok nyo ng, kunyari, galing kayo sa labas, no? Galing kayo sa SM Downtown. Yan, papasok kayo. Siyempre, tutuloy kayo dun sa, sa Forever Bridge na, na natapos din. So, after all, wala pa rin forever naman pala talaga, no? Hindi rin forever, natapos din eh. Yeah. Tatawid kayo doon sa bridge na yun, no? Pagdating nyo sa dulo ng bridge, di ba yung kaliwa, yung parang malawak na parking lot, no? Yung malawak na parking lot, yung dati we call it, shop and park. Tama ba? Park and shop, baliktad. Yun. Di ba? Yung malawak na parking lot na yon, kabila nun, yung next doon, no? Yun ang Greenwoods Park, nandoon na ako. Malapit ka na doon, madali mo na hanapin, no? Yese Building sa Greenwoods Park, ang location ng FutureLink Incorporated. Ted.